What's up, guys? For those of you that have never heard of me before, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and this video is going to be about how to get more views and how to get more followers on TikTok. So for those of you that already know this, TikTok is insane right now. The organic reach is better than any other platform, and it's really crazy. You could literally have 0 followers and end up getting millions of views and getting a ton of followers from that. But I want to make sure that you guys are getting not just views, but you guys are also getting the right amount of followers, because I see people all the time that have thousands of views, thousands of likes on their videos, but they don't have a ton of followers, and I know exactly why. If you guys could please do me a huge favor before I get into the video, subscribe to the channel, favorite this video if you like it, leave a comment below, let me know whether or not this was helpful, if it wasn't helpful. I want you guys to subscribe so that you could follow along. I have a playlist right now of me growing all my social channels, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to over 1 million followers. And if you're watching this video, if you're interested in this, I think it would be a great use for you to subscribe to the channel, tune in every week. I'm putting out videos like 2 to 3 times a week on growing your social platforms, so I think it would be a huge help for you guys. So to grow the amount of views that you're getting on TikTok and to grow your followers, you really need to do 3 things. 1, you need to just scan the For You page, see what's trending, and do those things. Those things are trending because they are working within TikTok's platform and within TikTok's audience. So you need to literally take those, whether it's a sound, a hashtag challenge, a video type, whatever it might be, literally copy it and do that 2 to 3 times a day. If you want to put out unique content, you need to also be putting out 2 to 3 pieces of unique content a day. So in total, you should be putting out 6 pieces of content. What I recommend doing is 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 at night. You could post them back to back. It's no big deal. One of them will probably blow up, one of them won't. They may all flop, but what you need to do is be putting out enough content that you're giving yourself the chance to blow up. I'm putting out 6 to 9 pieces of content a day. Normally 3 of them perform really well. What I do is just delete the ones that didn't perform well. So in addition to just hopping on the trends that are working from the For You page, you also need to be hopping on the hashtags that are popping. It literally tells you when you go to put in a hashtag which ones are trending. Use those, use other hashtags that are relevant to whatever you're trying to get into, and make sure, please make sure you're using hashtags on your video. That's my second tip. It's probably the most important one. Finally, what you're gonna also need to do is engage with everybody. Whether they DM you, like your video, or comment, you need to comment back to them. You need to go like one of their videos, you need to DM them back, and you literally need to follow everybody that likes your page. I know what you guys are thinking, oh, it's just gonna throw off my follower count versus people I follow. It's fine. Follow them, 24 hours later, unfollow them. What this is gonna do is gonna get a bunch of people to follow you, and they're not gonna check whether or not Robert Benjamin unfollowed them or whatever the case might be. And that's what you need to do to grow. It's literally the same rules as Instagram when Instagram first started, except Instagram right now doesn't have the organic reach that TikTok has, and TikTok does. So what you need to do is hop on these 3 things. 1, hop on all the trends. 2, use hashtags in all your videos. 3, make sure you engage with everybody. The easiest way to get followers is to follow everybody that likes your video pretty soon after they follow your video or like your video, and then they'll follow you back, and then you could just unfollow them 24 to 48 hours later. And I know you guys probably think that this sounds too good to be true, that this is too easy. No, it's not. I've gained thousands of followers on TikTok following this exact strategy. I'm gaining hundreds of followers every day. I've had a video reach 140,000 views. I have a ton of other videos that are way above my follower account, and this is exactly how I do it. If you guys think that this is nonsense, test it out for yourself. Before you judge this video, do this for a week. Do the 3 things that I mentioned. 1, hop on trends. 2, use hashtags. 3, engage with everybody. And if your TikTok doesn't grow, personally DM me, comment below, and I'll send you $100, because I'm guaranteeing to you guys that this is gonna work in 2019.